Today we're checking out this TruShield Soft Trifold Tonneau cover for the 2005 to 2015 Tacomas. If you're looking to give your Tacoma's bed a cleaner look while keeping things like tools, camping gear, or maybe even just groceries tucked away from the weather and other people's eyes, this soft trifold setup is a simple and functional option that's definitely worth checking out. When it comes to the features, this cover is going to span the full bed and folds up in 3 sections, so you can run it fully closed for coverage or partially folded open one section at a time or all the way up when you need access to the full bed. When this is fully shut, it's going to help keep out rain, snow, debris, or any dust off of your gear, and can even help smooth out airflow over the bed, which may give you a small bump in fuel efficiency out there on the highway. This design clamps directly to the bed rails with no drilling required, and that's going to simplify that install process. And if you stick with me, we're going to show you that install just here in a minute. Since this is designed specifically for the 2005 to 2015 Tacoma, the fit and seal lines are going to follow the bed perfectly for a watertight fit. Combined with the locking tailgate, it's a big step up in day-to-day peace of mind over just running an open bed with gear in it. When it comes to the construction on this, TruShield builds this frame from aircraft grade aluminum for strength without any excessive weight, and they top it with a weather resistant leather grain vinyl tarp. The vinyl is designed to handle sun, rain, and temperature swings without fading or cracking over time. And the edges are going to be finished to stay tight at speed, so you're not going to get any flapping on the highway. The hinges, the clamps, and locking pins are all built for repeated folding, so you can open it and close the cover as part of your normal routine without worrying about it breaking over time. Now, as far as pricing goes, this is coming in right around the $300 price range. For a Tacoma-specific trifold with quality aluminum frame, this is a budget-friendly way to get full bed coverage and security with peace of mind. That's especially a nice price when you compare it to some hard shells or retractable covers that cost quite a bit more while still serving the same core job and protecting cargo. Now, when it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. And you can get this job done in just 1 hour of your time since it's a simple clamp-on process. Now, let's head on out to the shop and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
For this install, you're going to need an M5 Allen key and a ratchet. Today we're going to be installing a tonneau cover on our Tacoma. Let's get into it. First, we're going to take our tonneau cover and place it on the truck. You're going to want to make sure that you have the straps on the back when we place this on. And then we're going to take our mounting brackets, slide them in this rail. You're going to have a total of 4, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. So since we kind of have the tonneau cover placed where we want it, we're going to slide these so that they line up with the latches that mount onto these brackets. So now that we have this lined up where we would like it, we're going to go ahead and release this from its bracket like that. Bring it down. There's another one on the other side that you can do the same thing to. And we're going to lower it and slide it near where the mounting bracket is going to be. So now that we have that bracket lined up with the latch, we're going to go ahead and grab a M5 Allen socket and a ratchet. I would like to mention that in the kit there is a supplied Allen key. You don't have to do this because that tool is included. But what you do have to do is take whatever tool you have and you're going to tighten down these 2 bolts next to the bracket. Now that we have that tightened down, we can go ahead and bring this latch down and secure it onto the mounting bracket. And once you have this side tightened down, you can do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to go ahead and unclip these 2 clips in the back and fold out the cover all the way. So to unclip these, you're just going to pinch on both sides like that. There's another one on the other side just like it, and we can take it and fold it out. and remove the plastic covering it comes with. We can also move these latches over like that, just so it makes it easier for the cover to come down. And once we have that done, put it the rest of the way, like so. So once we've folded this all the way out, like this, we're gonna wanna make sure that the brackets that are in the rear are in the right place. So with this, you're pretty much gonna be, I'd say about a ½ inch off the end of the rail. So once you've put this in ½ inch off the rail, you can go ahead and grab your M5 socket Allen key with a wrench. Now that we have this tightened down, we're gonna go ahead and fold the cover down. And we're going to align it with our latch. Have to twist it a little bit to get it to where we need it. Then once you have this locked down, the bracket tightened, you can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the TruShield Soft Trifold Tonneau cover for an 05 to 2015 Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.